Many people are stuck in the snow right now, and I'm going to show you the side hustle of 2026 that you should have been doing. I'll be honest with you. When I got started online in 2013 and when I switched to internet marketing more heavy in 2015, the internet was flooded. You had regular people making YouTube videos who knew nothing about YouTube. Specifically, there was a $40 company called MCA, which was a roadside assistance company, making people crazy money. I mean, I would walk in the local store and friends I knew were asking me if I was in MCA. Everything shifted to something way different. I'll say right after that, it got real guru-ish. That's when you start seeing a lot of guru ads on YouTube. It got real, I have to look perfect on the internet. And I feel like people made more money because they got more clever with it. But I feel like at the same time, a lot more people failed because it was this complex thing. Like even now in digital marketing courses, it's this complex thing. And it's like, how do we just get to the money? And the way that you get to the money with this side hustle is by simply letting people know about it. See, the difference back then versus now, it's people weren't nervous to talk about what they did. They weren't nervous to recruit people into their business. They didn't care about the stigma that people said around recruiting, etc. You know, people called it a scam. They've been doing this forever. This is what I'm trying to get you guys to understand. Your skepticism is not new. It's been going on since before I got in the industry. But no one cared because, I mean, it's simple. Are you tired of what you're doing? Are you not making enough money? Do you want to learn how to make some more money? Yes or no? No? Cool. Have fun. See, when you have that mindset, you start learning marketing more quicker. You start making more money without even trying. All because a lot of people are talking and yapping and saying a whole bunch of nothing to sound like they're important. You should be posting 20 pieces of content a day. But it's hard to post 20 pieces of content a day if you're trying to find the best hook, the best script, trying to make the best YouTube video with the best edits. This is not a gaming channel. Your channel is not a gaming channel. It's a way for people to make money. So when they come watch the first 2 minutes of the video, they need to know how to make money. So enough of me just talking about it. Let me show you. So guys, I'm using a $35 a month software called Home Business Academy. Home Business Academy specializes in multiple products. The two front-end offers is a Let's Go app, which I'm going to show you quickly. It's a Let's Go app and it's a funnel builder. So if we scroll down, this is how the Go app looks. You can have it on web or you can have it on mobile. It's a web-based app that pretty much functions the same way on desktop and on phone. So this is a productivity, influence. So you're going to put your goals, you're going to put what you need to do for the day. You're going to put your, like I said, your tasks. You can add affirmations. You have a whole bunch of back end, but this is the main thing that I'm using it for. Task management. I need to know today, I need to upload this video on this platform, etc. Every time you press complete, you're going to have a habit tracker that's going to show you how consistent you've been. Consistency is super important when it comes to this. Next, you're going to have their funnel builder software. You need their funnel builder software simply because this is what's hosting your product 24/7. This is where you're going to put the information on it, and it's going to be your selling point. You're going to send people the link that they give you, which is going to link to your page. And this is for a whole different company, but you can see you can make, websites for any company. So it doesn't matter if you say, hey, I want to do something else. When you get these skills online, you can just brand yourself on this page. And when you share this page on a YouTube video, a TikTok video, people are going to go here and get the information, whether you're at work, whether you're out chilling, and they're going to decide if they want to buy, etc. So this is the complete powerhouse. Now on the back end of Home Business Academy, after you're in for $35 and you buy these two products, you're going to be able to have access to premium coaching, which they do Monday through Friday. You can get in there and ask any question, and you're going to see what six-figure earners are doing online. And then on the back end, when you start making some money, or if you're just like, hey, I got the money now and I want it, they have a financial literacy product that you can invest in. That's going to show you tax breaks, you know, invest in your money, how to make your money grow even more outside of the recurring income. What I love about the recurring income, however, is what you do this month is what you'll get paid next month. This is a good ending point of this video. So for example, if you're someone who earns under $1,200 a week, maybe you earn $800, $700 a week, you're probably like, hey, I would love to earn $1,500, $1,700 a week. That's business, right? So you're like, hey, I want to do this every week. So you'll go out there and find 60 people every single week who want the services or they want the vehicle, the opportunity. And you'll do this, just say, for a month straight. That next month, if you started this on the beginning of the month, for example, that next month when Friday hits, because we get paid every week, that money rolls over because people pay their membership to keep their service or to keep their business. And now you have $1,500 hitting your account every month, well, every week, I should say, from the previous month. That's the power in this versus a one-time course or a one-time affiliate product. So if you're like me, you're like, what we're doing, pretty much building the next 90 days. We're on week 3 now. You know, we're what, 21 days in. If you build this thing strong for the next 90 days, you got to realize the money keeps compounding. So what seemed to you as a little $35 opportunity could potentially be paying you thousands of dollars a week. I mean, there's really no failing in this, because long as you stay consistent, you're going to find someone out there that needs what you have to offer. And it's only $35 a month. I mean, if $35 a month is really going to ruin your decision to do this, because $35, you can go DoorDash, you can go Instacart and get $35 an hour, right? So if you're still watching this video, all the information will be in the description. If you're seeing this on YouTube, if you're seeing this as a short or a reel, all you have to do is watch the video. If you're on YouTube, that's attached below. And if you're on any other platform, comment info in the comment section and I'll get you the information.